In this video, we are going to see how we can use BigQuery Radium Launch Lab APIs to track trades on it or track trades of a particular trader for a particular token. I will add the API links in the description. You guys can test it out on ide.bitquery.io and you will get free 10,000 points for the first time signing up. So let's get started. Get on to the IDE. Here select EAP as Solana is in EAP right now. Then select Solana. Then select DEX trade by tokens. Then in where we will select our filters. Under trade, under DEX, we will select the program address as Radium Launch Lab address. Under trade, we will select the DEX filter. Under DEX protocol name, we will select the is program address. Also select the Radium Launch Lab address, result, success, true filter because we only want to get the successful trades. Select the limit, count 10 and select the order by descending block time field so that we can get the response in descending order of their block time. Now select the fields you need to get. I'll select block time, block slot, maybe hash also. You can select any of the details which are available here. Just stick them out. Under instruction, I'll select which program method was the swap done with. Then under trade, I'll select account detail, basically account owner, and the token owner, amount involved from the main currency, amount in USD of the main currency, and the main currency details such as maybe name, mint address, symbol. Also select the DEX details. I'll select all the details of the DEX. Then select the market address maybe. Then I'll select the market address, which is basically the pair address. Then select the price of the currency and price in USD of the currency. This price field will give the price of the main currency on the basis of the side currency or against the side currency. Also select the similar details on the side, name, mint address. Let's select URI also. Then select transaction, signature, and signer. Also select the account details on the side and now run this query. You will get the latest 10 trades on Radium Launchpad. You can see the trades. You can also make this a subscription or like a WebSocket. Just remove these details because this will not work in subscription. And you can change this query keyword to a subscription keyword. And now if you run this, you will get the real-time trades on Radium Launch Lab. Now I'll stop the query because I don't want to exhaust my credits. I will copy this API over to a new tab. And if you want to track the trades of a particular trader, then you can just put here in the filter transaction signer is, and here put the trader address. I am putting this trader address as an example. And now if you run this query, you will get this traders trades in real time. You can also now copy over this API to a new tab. And now I'll show you how to get a trader's trades for a particular token. So right now the subscription is giving us the trades of a particular trader. And now if I add one more filter here, which is trade currency detail under trade currency mint address is, and I'm putting here this test token, I will get the trade, I will get the traders trades for this particular token in real time on Launch Lab. These were the queries for Radium Launch Lab. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.